everyone, I'm Bubbletone's wifey, and in my last video I made this pot of easy cheesy pasta for less than $1 a serving. In this video I'm going to show you how I package it. My husband and I are both going to have 2 servings of pasta this week. I'm using 2-cup deli containers and filling them halfway for 1 cup of pasta. Now I have 4 containers of pasta with enough room to put protein and vegetables for our lunches. For the rest of my pasta, I'm going to freeze them in sandwich bags. It's a great space-saving tip. I'm going to line a 1-cup measuring cup with the sandwich bag and fill it with the pasta. So I have 4 portions of pasta in sandwich bags. Now I'm going to remove the air so it takes up less space in the freezer. Close the sandwich bag. I don't close it all the way. I leave a small gap. Then I roll the pasta so that the air can escape through the gap. Then I seal the gap and press it down so that the pasta is flat. This way I can put them in a large freezer bag and I can find them easily in the freezer. Eight servings of pasta ready for the fridge and the freezer. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.